In front of me is HMD Pulse Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Then select Connection Preferences and tap on Printing. Now you can tap on any service that you downloaded or select the default print service. Either way, make sure that this switcher is blue and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!